Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is thebubsbee, and in today's video I have a kids hair wash day. Simple and straightforward wash day. I'm just going to show you guys what I like to do on my kids hair to cleanse it well, do a great gentle cleanse, and get her curls defined, and giving her a great base to go in for styling. So let's get into it. So I do want to thank Treluxe for sponsoring today's video. So we have Peanut here, and she has a lot of hair, super thick, kinky, curly hair, coarse strands, wiry strands as well. So her hair kind of gets stuck together very easily if it's not detangled properly, if it hasn't been detangled in a while. But what I love lately to do is actually cleanse her hair before I go in with detangling. I know, it sounds weird, it's not normal. I'm using a go-to cleanser for me. It's the Treluxe Gentle Cleansing Rinse. The reason why I like this method is because this shampoo does a great job at getting the buildup off her hair and her scalp while still leaving back some moisturizing ingredients on her hair, so her hair is left very, very soft. So it saves no time. And I find when I do detangle her hair after conditioning and all that, when I do go in with a detangling comb, her hair is much more manageable and it's not causing her any pain or tugging at all. This cleanser effectively just gets the buildup off, so now I'm not struggling trying to get a comb through dirty hair and it's getting stuck. That product buildup is getting stuck on the comb, easily able to comb through her hair. So I've been liking to cleanse the hair first. I don't know, let me know if you guys like to do that. Do you like to cleanse before you detangle? I am an advocate for detangling your hair first. I think detangling is important, but if you're in a rush and you don't have hours to set aside to go in with a prior detangling session before actually cleansing, I think this is a great step, and this is the shampoo you need to get to do it. Okay, get this is good. All right, I will double cleanse, but you see I'm just separating her strands gently. It's not tugging or pulling her hair. It's actually elongating her hair as well. She's not getting shrinkage or anything, but even though I'm not running her hair underwater yet, the buildup is already starting to pull away from her strands. Her hair is feeling much softer, and her hair is just feeling overall lighter too. Now I'm just gonna go in and really scrub, gently detangle, and get all the buildup off before moving on to the next section. So I just want to give a quick disclaimer. I don't recommend to cleanse your hair if you just got out of a long-term protective style. 4 weeks, 8 weeks, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, I would highly recommend to go in and get that dirt off your hair. I would try to get it off first before cleansing, but I'm telling you, this method has been working. It leaves the hair much softer, and it's actually easier to comb it out because there's no product on the strands. Because natural hair without product, bare in its purest form, is actually super soft and pliable and easy to manage. This has been saving me so much time. They've been in the pool all the time. It's summer, okay? They're in the pool all the time. Her hair is out. She's wearing puffs, and this is tangly. This is just a quick and easy step I've been liking so far. Let me know down below if you are opposed to this or not. But I'm just gonna keep cleansing her hair, guys. This is going to be a simple, chill, cleansing wash day. Straightforward, just cleansing, relaxing. I'm gonna put some music, you know, just relax and enjoy the video. So I'm getting down to the end. We've reached the last section in the front. She's getting a little cranky. She's getting a little restless. She has her stories on, so she's calmer than normal, but she just doesn't like getting her hair done. She just doesn't. She has a tender scalp like her mama. So I'm just going to just gently work that cleanser in. And yes, I'm using a lot of cleanser because I'm outside of the shower. If I was in the shower and her hair was completely drenched with water, you would not need that much shampoo, okay? A couple of pumps and you'd call it a day, but that's not the case. Her hair is so dry. So I'm going in with the spray bottle as well to help, but it's not really helping. I need more product. But I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I know it was different. My technique was different, but it was the same simple wash day. I want to thank Treluxe for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I've been working with Treluxe for years now. You're going to continue to see them. I love them. I love their products. Simple, great natural ingredients that's not harsh on their scalp, in their strands, in their body as well. My girls have eczema. If they're in the tub and the water's just going down their neck, they can break out, but not these cleansers, not these products. They are so pure and rich and creamy and perfect for natural hair. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave my link down below if you want to get a little discount off. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Say bye to Peanut and Ray Ray, and I'll see you all in the next one.